the darkest hours, a city emerged from struggle to success, uncertainty to predictability. One leader, one community. This is the Game Changer.
The year 2020 is a year like no other. It is considered as the year when everything stopped because of COVID-19. Iloilo City is one among the cities that endured the effect of this virus. However, unlike other places, this city of love showed to the rest of the world how to adapt to life-changing situations. Nine months in the period of pandemic, Iloilo City, through the leadership of Mayor Jerry Treñas, continues to soar. Despite the restrictions being imposed to slow down the spread of COVID-19, plans have been put in place. Majority of them have been materialized. From infrastructure to environmental projects.
We have to understand na ga-preparar kita para sa post-pandemic. We all know that this pandemic will not last forever. Base sa second half sa dasod nga tuig, may mga vaccines na ta.
When transportation became difficult due to stricter quarantine status, Iloilo City gave a boost to its 25-kilometer bike lane, giving the community an option to travel using bicycles. Aiming to become the bike capital of the Philippines, bike lanes in the city are getting a facelift. Bike racks were also placed in different locations. This December, public plazas and major thoroughfares light up and glitter at night, giving a ray of hope to the Ilonggo community amidst the pandemic. As early as now, the local government has been preparing for the procurement of COVID-19 vaccine with 200 million peso budget.
Gestorya ko kay Secretary Galvez. And Secretary Galvez assured me that he has already talked to the President about LGUs procuring their own vaccines. Though may mga requirements lang to sila nga ang mga pigado i-immunize ta. I think, though hindi man problema, I think ang mga kondisyones nga ibutang nila, though doable man natin.
As the city slowly opens the economy, the local government is optimistic that it can bounce back in 2021.